so there's not going to be anything happening at the edge. The transition between the intake and the intake manifold and the head. Now I'm going to switch to a hard roll or a sanding drum or something like that, something a little bit coarse, maybe 80 grit-ish type of thing to promote airflow. We finish that off, we'll do the exhaust. We're not doing any port shaping here now with this hard roll. We're sanding flapping wheel. All we're doing is putting smoothing out the finish, but not too smooth. That's all we're doing. It's not that kind of port job where we're getting crazy doing the whole thing. We're not running a, 700 lift cam and tunnel rams or turbos or blowers or any of that stuff. It's just a mild street engine. It's doing a few improvements. So we're just gonna take out any burrs we have from our cutting disc, and we're gonna give it a nice finish to promote the airflow. This is super simple and quick. You're going to use one that's close size to the port, obviously. Okay, now we're going to go to the exhaust. Do the same thing. The exhaust has a very, very, very nasty casting flash in it we're going to knock out. It has a few lumps in it. You have to tread very carefully on these big blocks. There's one, for instance, right there. If you grind that out, you're going to have a hole going to where your head bolt boss is. I'm going to finish it with a very fine grit sandpaper, just or hard roll, well, I guess the sandpaper, just so the carbon don't stick. Don't give it anything to adhere to. And that's it for the exhaust port. I don't know how much time we got on the video. I'm just going to put some, go in there with some hard rolls now, some flapper wheels, smoothing that out. Really, myself, like the freedom of not having that air hose hanging off the end or that cord. I have another one also that's just like, it's like a pencil, and then it has a cable that goes to the motor. I like that one a lot. Thing with this is you better have lots of batteries if you're using one of these. Okay, so there, we've done one chamber, one intake port, one exhaust port. It took, you know, I got 7 more to go, so whatever that is, 70 and 84 minutes. Simple little port job, do it yourself at home. There would definitely be an improvement in performance. A basic port job like this is what I call free horsepower. Not free in the sense it doesn't cost you much, but if you do it yourself, it doesn't cost much. What I mean by free is it's not like a radical cam that's going to make you have no vacuum. It's not like a high compression 12.5 to 1 where you got to run, you know, C12 or anything like that. Like, this is a nice little improvement. You can do it yourself at home, and we will get more in depth. We'll get more technical on doing this. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to port the rest of this. I'm out of time on my camera. And then the next video, we'll just do a whole bunch of photos of these ports and everything like that. Do it yourself at home head porting. I hope you guys get something from this. If you like it, if you think it's worth commenting on, please shoot me a comment. Yeah, shoot me a comment, all that kind of good stuff. Subscribe, that helps. We got some super cool projects coming. So you gearheads, you guys who like to build cars, car crafters, whatever you want to call yourself, we got some very crazy cool projects coming up. I just want to wrap up, probably another 20 or 30 engine shoots to give you guys a good basis of many different types of engines and all the different procedures and stuff like that. In between now and then, I'm sure you'll spot a little teaser of a project or two under covers. That's coming real soon, so I'm really looking forward to that. Hope you guys had a great time. Like it, subscribe. Hope you got something from it. See you in the next shoot.